everyone. We have with us today Ms. Avneet Grover. She's the director of INI-FD West Delhi branch with us. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to College Interviews.
Thank you.
Ma'am, please speak something about yourself and about INI-FD West Delhi branch.
Yeah. I have done my fine arts. I have done my degree in fine arts. And INFD West Delhi, we have just opened a year back, and it's been a year. And we have believed that INFD is one of the upcoming fashion and interior design institute, because we have already 125 centers and 80 premium centers of INFD. And Delhi, they were just one center. So we believe that Delhi, being the capital of India, there should be INFD, and we wanted to bring INFD in Delhi.
Great thought, ma'am. So, ma'am, being the director at INI-FD, what is your philosophy of leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style, I must say?
According to me, leadership is not overpowering overpowering the expertise just because you have the authority. I believe to collaborate with all the expertise and to bring them together, and so that they can take out the best in the students, and my institute can shine, and they can the students can get the best of it.
Great, ma'am. So, ma'am, being the director, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
See, first of all, I believe every student is born with some skill or the other, which they actually don't know. So when they come to INFD for fashion or interior, my team and me, I want that they should take out the best in them. They should brush them up, polish them up, so that when they enter the industry, they're so well confident that they can do something in life. They can make their own name, and they can make INFD proud.
That's a great thought, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the best practices offered at INI-FD to the students which help them actually gain the necessary skills?
See, first of all, we have diploma and degree programs for fashion as well as interior designing, and we are collaborated with LST, which is London School of Trend. So with that, they get the opportunity that 2 years they can study in India, and the third year they can complete in London. So they get the exposure of national and international level. So they get to experience the way the teachers teach in India and the teachers teach in abroad.
That's really motivating for the students, I must say, ma'am. Ma'am, do you think do you have any extracurricular activities or programs to enhance the skills of the students or expose them to the real world challenges?
See, first of all, our mentors for fashion designing are Manish Malhotra, who's a famous designer, and Ashley Rubello, Salman Khan's designer. And in interiors, our mentor is Twinkle Khanna. So first of all, these are very big names who have collaborated with us. So definitely the students get to meet with them, at times work with them. So that is one thing which is very important. And we have a lot of expertise. We have a lot of workshops and expertise who come to our institute and give them to except from the faculty, because the teaching method of the faculty is quite different, but learning from the expertise is very different. So Bhavna, last year we had workshops like from Bhavna Singh, Nalin, Jeevan Kara, and many more. Even Ashley Rubello came here, and he gave a chance to the students that he would be taking them for some movie shoot. He'll be giving them like an intern or something. So these are the advantages what INFD provides you.
These are lovely opportunities for the students, and they will definitely flourish by doing such courses in life. So, yeah. Ma'am, any significant challenges that you faced as being the director of the college, and if any, so if you can share some of them with us.
See, right now the biggest challenge is because of the COVID-19. Everybody had to go online. And keep in mind that fashion and interiors is a very practical subject. So it was really difficult to convince that even a practical subject can be taught online. So to convince them, it was a little difficult, but we overcame that, and the students are very happy because the parents are basically very happy that they stay home and study and not missing out anything. We actually started our online sessions from 29th of March. Like 23rd was the lockdown which started, and 9th of March we started with the online sessions because we didn't want that the students should waste their time or anything. And it was difficult for us, but now I think it's very easy, and the students have actually realized it that things can happen even online.
Very right, ma'am. So, COVID has taught us new ways of living, and it has actually helped many of us.
Of course,
So,
it
ma'am,
has.
coming to my next question, ma'am. So, ma'am, when you came to the college for the first time, you must have had a vision regarding it, and how far have you reached towards achieving the same?
See, first of all, I being from a fine art background, and my sister was from a fashion background. So I really had this interest in fashion designing field. Though when I was young, I could not, do it. But I wanted that in coming time, because the times are really changing. And see, food, shelter, and housing is three important things which will never die. People need that for sure. And nowadays, the trends have really changed also. So, fashion is something which everybody is really interested. All the young generation want to make their own fashion style, and even about the housing, I would talk, and about the, if you go to even a restaurant, you really want that the entire look should be really nice. The space should be used very. So I feel that I want that the students should learn the best, and should we should help them to take up whatever skills they have in them, and they should reach that level that yes, when they pass out from INIFD, people should be willing, that yes, this kid is from INIFD. I'm sure that they have learned a lot and they can give us the best. They are ready to hire them.
Very nice, ma'am, and it's a beautiful thought behind the students and a drive towards motivating them. So, ma'am, what do you see as INIFD's greatest strength?
Greatest strength I would talk about that first of all, INIFD give them the platform that they can participate in Lakme Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, and London Fashion Week, which are the very renowned fashion weeks. And while they're studying, they can participate. So that's the biggest strength because people, keep struggling and they have to pay a lot of money if they want to participate in these fashion shows. So these are one thing which I believe that is very important. And practical knowledge is very important. You can learn something. You can, and when you want to make a collection, it is very difficult unless you have really practically done it. And for interior students, we even have in Lakme Fashion Week that they designed a set of the Lakme Fashion Week. So that's also a great opportunity because generally interior designing students are lucky. And we have even residential programs like in London, 1 month program, and in Bangkok also we have residential program which is for 15 days and 1 month. So the students get to learn a lot of there also. And we have even opportunity that students can 2 years study in India and the third year can study in London. So they get a exposure of national and international level. And when these Lakme Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, and London Fashion Week happens, it is not that the entire work, they are mentored by the faculty over here, but their faculty comes from London. So last year, Joe Toronto, he came to mentor the students for the London Fashion Week and New York Fashion Week. So it's very important for them to learn from an international level teacher, and and then they feel proud that yes, we've done something and we can participate in New York or London Fashion Week.
So, all-round development and making the students not just India-oriented but equipped with the world's technology is what I believe INIFD has in aim, and we are sure that you'll be able to achieve all the glory, ma'am. Ma'am, what changes in the trend have you seen for the students enrolling in design courses over the years, and what do you think could be the possible reasons for it?
See, first of all, earlier when parents, the students used to say that to their parents that we want to do fashion or interior designing courses. Parents just had that in mind that it's not a nice stream. You're just going to stitch clothes. But it's not just about stitching clothes or doing the house or constructing the house. It is about creating a personality, because when you're designing something, you have somebody in mind you want to design, and you create a personality. And even for interior designing students, I would say, when you're designing a house, you're not just designing a house, you're designing a small space and making it look so beautiful that when the person walks into it, finds a little peace in that place. So, the trends have really changed, and now there is really upcoming market, because earlier times, there was not much of clothing involved in our times. When we were young, we were very happy with 4-5 clothes, or maybe 10 clothes in the wardrobe. But now nobody wants to repeat. Every function they want to wear a new thing, and it should be a new theme or anything. So there is so much of market for the fashion students. And even in interior designing, we go to restaurants, we go to the malls, everything is like that they want some good design. So every day, they want the fresh people to come and design. So the interior designing and the fashion designing students, there is a great field for them outside, when they go out. Lots of jobs also.
Ma'am, not taking much of your time, any last thoughts of yours or your valuable advice to the students to have a prosperous career ahead?
See, first of all, I would say that whenever you're coming for these designing courses, let it be fashion, interiors, or any designing courses, your parents have really thought about it and, enrolled you. So please don't waste their hard-earned money. You should value that. And this is the time when you can really work hard, because these designing courses need time also. You really need to work hard on them. And if you're willing to work hard, I am sure that you can become something in life. You can, overcome your dreams, what you really want to do, and make your parents proud and make us also proud. So I really want that students should take it very seriously. Just don't think fashion designing or interior designing is just a time pass or something. You need to give time to it.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am, and we are really happy to have such thoughts from your end, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.